Hey everyone, let me walk you through my full workflow for creating this 80s movie meet and greet video where it feels like one continuous shot of me walking through a Hollywood studio lot and stepping into different movie worlds, hugging iconic characters and taking selfies with them. Before anything else, here's the main tool I'm using for actual creating. I'm doing everything inside Openart AI. And in this video, I'm specifically showcasing Kling 2.6. So all the images and all the image to video clips you're about to see were generated right there on Openart. Now, for me, ground zero is ChatGPT. I start by telling ChatGPT exactly what I want to make. A series of scenes of me meeting my childhood movie favorites, and I list them in order: Indiana Jones, Marty McFly, The Goonies, Wesley from Princess Bride, and Luke Skywalker. Now, I'm not vague about it, I'm super specific. I tell ChatGPT the whole thing needs to feel like it's happening on a Hollywood movie studio backlot, and that each scene transitions cleanly into the next movie set. Every character moment flows the same signature beat. I approach, we hug, we connect, we hit that selfie pose as the payoff. I also describe the exact transition I want, which is whip, pans, doorway light wipes, spotlight sweeps, so the entire video feels like one smooth cinematic journey. Next, I have ChatGPT generate the image prompts. I build each scene as a start frame and end frame. The start frame is me entering or approaching, and the end frame is the close-up selfie money shot. That structure is what makes the sequence flow. And then I take those prompts into Openart AI and generate the images. After that, I go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create the video prompts for every clip, basically describing what happens between the start image and the end image, and making sure the end of one scene naturally sets up the beginning of the next. Once I've got everything generated, it's editing time. I open up CapCut, bring in all the clips, and stitch them together in order. This is where I trim for pacing, tighten the transitions, and make it feel like one continuous sequence. Finally, I hop on to Suno AI to create the soundtrack. I generate the perfect 80s style beat, synthwave retro cinematic vibes, download it, and drag it straight into CapCut, syncing it to the music so it hits perfectly on the transitions. And that's the full workflow. It's ChatGPT for the plan and prompts, then it's to Openart AI to generate the images and video clips, then on to CapCut to stitch everything together, and Suno for the 80s track. And then back to CapCut for the final polish. And if you want to try it yourself, the links to all the tools I used are in the description below. So stay tuned and hit that like and subscribe button because we are going on to bigger and better things, and I will see you on the next video.